Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this isn't the WJ. This is a Jeep Gladiator. Doesn't have anything fancy, not a Rubicon. Soft top. But it is a Gladiator still, they're freaking dope. But unfortunately, it's not mine.
And not mine either.
So my little cousin actually picked this up not too long ago, and the company reached out to me if I wanted any of their parts from their website. Unfortunately, they don't have a lot of WJ parts. They do have a bunch of Gladiator and Wrangler parts. So since he just got this, I wanted to hook him up. We got a bumper for the Jeep, and it is right here. This is KYX. It's off of suncetauto.com. So if you guys are looking for a Gladiator bumper, we're going to be testing this one out and letting you know how it is. I mean, the nice thing about Gladiators and Wranglers and all that, everything is so much easier to change out, like the bumpers and all that. It's only like 4 bolts behind. Not too much going on. So let's go ahead and unwrap this, see if we have to set anything up on the bumper before putting it on, and then we'll install it. So here is the bumper. It does come powder coated and all that. It has protective things all over it, like these rubber pieces. I guess to protect it from the box. Back here as well. Up top we could put a light bar or some pods, and then it has a winch plate as well. The bumper does look kind of thin. I wasn't expecting much at the price point. It's only like $230, so for the price it's not bad, and my cousin's not gonna take it on super like hard trails or anything like that, so this will be perfect for him.
So he's gonna be riding with us?
He's gonna be, hopefully, in the future.
Let's go.
Hopefully bring him on trails in the future. He's new to all this for sure. So I thought that we would have to like add stuff onto it, but everything's already welded on, ready to go. We just have to mount this on the Jeep and we should be good to go. So on the Jeep itself, we're gonna have to take off this cover up here so we can have more access for the bolts in the back. And then there's 4 bolts on the back, 2 on each side, 2 over here, and then 2 on the inside, same as the other side. So 8 total nuts you have to take off, 18 mil. Once you take those off, make sure to unplug the fog lights, and now we can remove the bumper. We had to take off 2 small bolts on the underside here just to remove this. It's attached to the bumper, so now we can just pull it off. That's it. And we also have a box with the hardware, and then the 2 D-rings that go on the bumper. So let's go ahead and mount this up. And the way that this one mounts is, on this side you put in the whole bolt, and then this side is just the nut. So let's go ahead and put it on. So the bumper is actually making the Jeep definitely look way better. It is kind of like a stubby bumper, I would say. The edge doesn't go all the way to the side. So I think that looks kind of weird, but if you upgrade the fenders, I think it should be fine. We got the new hardware in, so we're gonna tighten those up. And we should pretty much be ready to go. I wonder if we should put a last fit light bar on top of here. That'd be pretty dope. So this is the finished product. I think it looks way better than the stock bumper for sure. It just gives it a different look, honestly. Hopefully I can convince my cousin to lift the Jeep and then get some different wheels on there. I think that would really make this Jeep look sick. What do you guys think for this bottom piece? Should we just leave it in? We can unbolt it, but for now I think I'm just gonna leave it in. What do you guys say? Should we just remove it? Or is there an upgrade I could do? That would be a good idea. And these are the shackles that it came with. They have this rubber padding on there. They're pretty dope, they're not bad. Like I said, like you can kind of tell, it does look kind of thin. This is actually bent. Look, I can actually move it. But I mean, if your Jeep is a mock crawler, I think this is perfect for you. Like I said, I don't think my cousin's gonna take this off-roading hardcore, so this is enough for him, and I think he'll be happy. All right, guys, that'll be it for today's video. I hope to see you guys on the next one, and hopefully we get some more mods for this Jeep. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.